Okay, Outlander Gearbox 800 going back together. New bearing installed here. That was the up and down play on the secondary. Got your parking lever and your index lever here. To get the new bearing, we have to press this out as well. It's pressed back together. Everything's good. So, shim, same size. Put it back in. Reverse gear. Needle bearing. Thrust washer. Now we're going to go ahead with the counter shaft. Put that back in. Okay. Now for the set of gears on the bottom. These two only go one way. They will not mesh the other way. So here's your shift fork. Pin facing up. This hole here lines up with the center gear. The shaft goes through both of these fork levers. So now with all that installed, I'll go ahead and drop that in. Okay, that set of gears is in. Now another new needle bearing going on top, and your other thrust washer, shim, same size. And that's it for now.